Hello reception, it's me again. So tomorrow's activity is going to be continuing with our Burglar Bill story. So as you know, Burglar Bill was naughty at the beginning of the story. He used to sneak into people's houses and take things that didn't belong to him. So when that was happening, the police, they got a phone call to say that Burglar Bill had been robbing in someone's house, and the police made a wanted poster. And this wanted poster they stuck to all of the lampposts all around near where Burglar Bill was doing all of his pinching from. And they put a picture of Burglar Bill on, and they wrote a little bit of information so that if anybody saw Burglar Bill, they could ring the police and say, Mr. Policeman, we've seen Burglar Bill. This is where he is. This is where you can find him, and then you can arrest him for doing all of those things that he shouldn't be doing. So I've done a more basic one because I'm not too sure how to edit this one. So I've done one just so that we can talk about what information we're going to put on our Burglar Bill poster. So it says wanted, and in this top box here, so on yours it's this one here, in this top box you're going to draw a picture of what Burglar Bill looks like. Because if we don't put a picture on it, then any members of the public that are looking at these posters on the lamppost, they won't know what he looks like. So make sure you include his black glasses, his stripy top, and try and make your Burglar Bill on your poster look just like the Burglar Bill in the story. Okay? Once you've drawn your picture, underneath the box you're going to write a little bit about Burglar Bill. So if we make this writing a bit bigger, so I'm going to start it by writing Burglar Bill, and I'm going to use some exclamation marks. So we need to think about how we describe what Burglar Bill looks like. So I'm going to write, he has a he has a black mask. Mask. And I'm going to put a full stop. Underneath, I'm going to write, he is a bad man. Man. He is a bad man, full stop. And then I'm going to write another sentence. I'm going to write, he has a stripy. Now that's a very hard word to sound out, so we just need to try our best. Stripy. Stripy. He has a stripy. Now I've not spelt that word correctly because I've just sounded it out, and I want you to just sound out your word, okay? As long as you know what it says and you're listening to the sounds in the words, that's all that I want. He has a stripy top. Top. Some words we can easily sound out now because we've learned all of the sounds, but other sounds we haven't learned yet, so we just have to try our best, okay? So I've wrote so far, Burglar Bill. He has a black mask. He is a bad man. He has a stripy top. And then I'm going to write, because on every wanted poster there is always a reward. So if you ring the police to tell them who you've seen, what will you get? So I'm going to write reward, and then I'm going to do a money sign, because if you report Burglar Bill to the policeman, you will get money. So I'm going to put £100. So if you find Burglar Bill and you ring that policeman, you would get £100 for a reward. So I want you to make your own wanted poster. You don't have to write the same sentences that I have. You can think of your own sentences to write. Just make sure you're sounding out all of your words, But if you're writing it on paper, make sure you use a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence and a finger space in between every word and then a full stop at the end. Okay? Keep working on forming all of those letters correctly. And can you keep your writing on the line? Because on your poster you've got lines to write on. So keep it on the lines if you can. Okay then. Bye.